Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and on the Chevy Trax we're going to go over how you change your cabin air filter. So your cabin air filter is located behind your glove box on this vehicle, and so you'll open up the glove box, and over here on the right hand side there is it's to slow the glove box so it doesn't just come down, so you need to pop that off, and then once you've done that, and you'll be able to squeeze the glove box together. And then you'll be able to pull the glove box down after you get the lock undone there. And then we have our door right here. Pop the tabs on both sides. And then this folds up like that, and now be able to remove the element and discard our old dirty one. Any quick debris, if there's a lot of debris on there, you may want to take a vacuum to it. So then we take our new one and be able to line it up and slide it into place there. And now we just close that tab, and then just be able to push that up in there and then be able to close your glove box. And so that's how you would replace your cabin air filter on your Chevy Trax. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.